apple pie.
C is for cherry, shiny red, sweet and yummy, soft like bread. A coconut. C is for coconut, brown and round, juicy inside with treasure found. Have strawberry. S is for strawberry, pretty and bright, juicy and tasty, a yummy delight. A papaya. P is for papa, golden and sweet,